Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce my name Fitra Nur Indriani with study number K1324066. In this video, I will talk about symmetry material consisting of definition of symmetry, terms of symmetry, calculating the number of symmetries, application of symmetry in geometry, properties of geometry, shapes based on symmetry, and the last, exercises and application. Okay, first let's discuss what symmetry or about definition of symmetry. Symmetry is a fundamental concept in mathematics and geometry, defined as a property of an object that allows it to be divided into two identical halves, which are mirror images of each other. This means that if an object has symmetry, one half can be transformed into the other through cosine operations such as reflection, rotation, or translator. Okay, we already know the meaning of symmetry. Next, we will discussion about types of symmetry. There are four types of symmetry. The first, rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry is an object exhibits rotational symmetry if it can be rotation around a central point by a certain angle and still appear unchecked. For example, a circle has infinite rotational symmetry since it looks the same at any angle of rotation. The second, translational symmetry. Translational symmetry is the step occurs when an object can be moved or translated along a certain direction without altering its appearance. Commonly seen in patterns such as wallpaper designs, translational symmetry allows for repetition in a consistent manner. The third, reflectional symmetry or mirror symmetry is an object has reflectional symmetry if it can be divided into two identical halves by a line, the line of symmetry. When folded along this line, both halves match perfectly. Examples include shapes like heart and butterflies. And the last, glitter symmetry. Grid symmetry combines both reflection and translation. It involves reflecting an object across a line and then translating it along that line. This step is often observed in patterns that exhibit both mirrored and shifted elements. Next, we discuss about calculating the number of symmetries. Here, the English translation of the text to calculate the number of symmetries in a geometric shapes. Here are the brief steps to follow. Number 1. Identify the center of rotation. Determine the central point around which the shape will be rotated. Number 2. Trace the shape. Make a trace of the geometry shape on a blank sheet of paper to facilitate observation. Number 3. Calculate the rotation angles. Rotate the shapes clockwise until it completes a full 360 degrees and observe how many times the shape can occupy the trace position perfectly. Number 4. Record the number of rotational symmetry. The result from this counting will indicate the number of rotational symmetry. For example, a square has 4 rotational symmetries, while an equilateral triangle has 3 rotational symmetries. Next, discuss about application of symmetry in geometry. Here are the application of symmetry in geometry summarized briefly. Number 1. Understanding geometry shapes. Symmetry helps in understanding geometry shapes such as polygons, circles, and centra. Include the identification of the line of symmetry. Number 2. Crystallography. Symmetry is used to describe the arrangement of atoms in crystals, which helps predict the physical properties of material. Number 3. Mathematical simplification. Symmetry makes mathematical problems easier to solve. For example, even function in bracket line like phi x equal x squared exhibit symmetry about the y-axis, while out function in bracket like gx equal x cubic are symmetry about the origin. Number 3. Architectural design. Symmetry is employed in architectural design to create aesthetic balance. Structure like the Taj Mahal are real example of symmetry applied in architectural design. Number 4. Visual art and decoration. Symmetry is important in visual art such as tessellation and pattern design. It enhances the aesthetic value of objects like jewelry and historical architectural feature. Number 5. Everyday object. Many everyday objects display symmetry, such as car wheels and wind turbines. Identifying symmetry helps understand their functionality and design. Next, discuss about properties of geometry shapes based on symmetry. Reflective symmetry. A shape has reflective symmetry if it can be divided into two identical halves by a line of symmetry. For example, a square has 4 lines of symmetry. Rotational symmetry. A shape exhibits rotational symmetry if it can be rotated around a central point and still look the same at certain angles. A square has an order of rotational symmetry of 4, matching its original position every 90 degrees. Translational symmetry. This occurs when a shape can be set along a plane without changing its appearance. commonly seen in patterns at tessellation. Regular polygons. Regular polygons have symmetrical properties where the number of lines of symmetries equal the number of sides, exhibiting both reflective and rotational symmetry. Symmetry in quadrilaterals. Square. 4 lines of symmetry other 4. 1. Rectangle. 2 lines of symmetry other 2. Number 2. Parallelogram. No lines other 2. Number 3. Rhombus. 2 lines other 2. Number 4. Trapezium. 1 line other 1. Number 5. Cube. 1 line other 1. Application. Symmetry is significant in nature and design, contributing to visual harmony and structural integrity. Next, finally, we will discuss about exercises and application. Question number 1. A circle has rotational symmetry. What is the smallest degree from the circle to return to its original shapes? Answer. A circle has infinite rotational symmetry and can return to its original position at a rotational of 360 degrees over n, where n any amount. Question number 2. The letter n has a symmetrical twins. What is the smallest degree of for the letter n to return to its original position? Answer. The letter n has rotational symmetry of 180 degrees. That's all my explanation. If I said something wrong, I apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Behind this game.
Okay. Okay, first let's discuss with Okay, first let's discuss English. 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 That's cek. Nama rem. Okay, the first let's discuss symmetry in symmetry in quadrilateral. Next, we discuss about calculating the number of symmetry. Here the English translation. Symmetry in